Chapter 5, Example 6. Sketch the normal model of baby birth weights in 7.6, 1.3. So my mean is 7.6, my standard deviation is 1.3 pounds. It tells us this is the normal model. It already gives us to us in that form, so we don't have to do the nearly normal condition. We just want to sketch the curve. So we'll sketch this. This is going to be a detailed sketch. It will have our titles in there. It's not a quick sketch like we've done on some of the previous examples. Okay, we're going to use the empirical rule, the 68, 95, 99, 7. We want our titles. We want that everything as detailed as we can. So, baby birth weights. On the x-axis, this is in pounds, so I'm going to write that below. But let's start by putting these in. My mean, 7.6. So let's start by working out the left-hand side. I want to find my inflection point, maybe right about there. So 1.3 standard deviations away, this gives me 6.3. Okay, about the same distance for 2 standard deviations. When we're doing a formal graph, we want to always do 3 standard deviations. So that looks good. This would be about 5.0. And then this far tail over here, extend that a little bit, maybe about there. This would be 3.7. Very small baby weight. And these are in pounds. We need our labels. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. My inflection point should also be about the same distance as the 6.3 on the other side. Roughly there. My graph's a little uneven, but that gets the idea. So 8.9. About the same distance away. This gives me 10.2. And 3 standard deviations way down there, about 11.5. Now these last ones, they should have a really small slither right there and right there. Remember, on both sides, it's going to be just over 1% of the curve should be represented under there. So now let's write in the empirical rule. That's 68% roughly. We have 95% between 2 standard deviations. And 99.7 between 3 standard deviations. And there is our model for baby birth weights.